Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again we are in my Visual Studio Code editor. This is the second tutorial related Google Chrome console. And as you can see, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And also I open previous HTML document in my code editor. And in this tutorial I'm going to start with another console command, which is time. Using time command we can calculate how much time our code take to execute. So at first I'm going to comment out console.clear function. Then after x variable I'm going to type console.time. Then inside the parenthesis just I'm going to pass a text which is test and then semicolon to end this line. And again after warning message I'm going to type console.timeEnd function. Time end. And inside the parenthesis I'm going to type test. Then semicolon to end this line. Basically it's going to calculate the time from starting to end. I want to say it's going to calculate how much time does the functions take to complete. Using time command we can start counting, and using time end command we can stop counting. So if I save this file, as you can see it's written the time. As you can see it's take 0.59 millisecond to complete these commands. And now I'm going to show you how can we use inbuilt editor from our console. So at first we need to clear our console section. As you can see there is a second icon. If I click this icon, it's clear our console section. And here we can type any JavaScript command. And here I'm going to type document.write. Inside the parenthesis I'm going to pass hello world. Then semicolon to end this line. If I press enter, as you can see in my browser it's print hello world. So as you can see, using console editor we can pass data in our browser. I want to say you can check any JavaScript command in your console section. Let me show you. If I type document and then I press enter, as you can see, if I drop down this section, it's written our HTML document structure. Now let me show you the most important usage of our console section. For this example, I'm going to comment out all of this line and then I'm going to save this file. And now inside the body tag, I'm going to create h1 tag, h1. And also I'm going to set an ID to this tag, ID main. And then inside the h1 tag, I'm going to type hello world. If I save this file, you can see the result. And now I want to check h1 tag value using JavaScript in our console. For that, we need to type document.getElementById. Let me show you. Document.getElementById. Then inside the parenthesis, we need to pass the ID name. And our ID name is main. So here I'm going to type main. Then semicolon to end this line. If I press enter, as you can see it's written the h1 tag with the value. This example is part of DOM, means document object model. And we are going to learn about it in our upcoming tutorials. Here I want to show you what is the usage of console. Let me show you one thing. As you can see this command return whole HTML structure. But I want to return only hello world. I want to return only the text. In that case, we can type a new command. Let me show you. Document.getElementById. Then inside the parenthesis, our ID name. And our ID name is main. Then I want to return only inner text. So here we need to type dot inner text. Then semicolon to end this line. If I press enter, as you can see, now it's written only hello world. We are going to learn all about it in our DOM part. So these are all DOM basic commands. Not only that, we can type any JavaScript command in our console section. So this is it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.